Are you looking for some quick tips to make the most from your HubSpot investment? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you through all the latest updates to the platform so that there are no surprises next time you log in and you've got all the tools you need to market, sell to, and service your people like a pro. Howdy guys, it's Liv here from Neighborhood, back with another episode of our What's New in HubSpot series. So what happened in July? Let's kick things off by taking a look at all the changes to Marketing Hub. For ages, we've been able to insert custom HTML into the head section of individual website pages and landing pages within HubSpot. We've been able to add everything from tracking scripts to custom meta tags and structured data markup to improve your SEO. But weirdly, you can't do the same thing for blogs. Until today. Marketing Hub Professional and Enterprise customers, as well as CMS Hub customers, can now add custom HTML to the head section of any individual blog post within HubSpot. You can use this to add custom scripts to your blogs to give you more control over how you present information in search results or track your blogs. To get started, open any of your blog posts in the editor, go to the Settings tab, click the Advanced Options link, and then add your desired custom HTML snippet into the head HTML field. Another thing you may have noticed is the new Help Text field for HubSpot's module system. This new field helps developers add inline help text to the custom modules they create for marketers. HubSpot have made 3 updates to the Design Manager that provide further feature parity between the development experience in HubSpot compared to your local environment. CMS Hub customers can now create themes in the Design Manager, create serverless functions in the Design Manager, and view the @HubSpot folder in the Design Manager. When the CMS Hub was launched back in April, creating serverless functions and themes was only available through local development. Allowing for the creation of serverless functions and themes in the Design Manager allows developers not interested in developing locally to utilize these features. Local development will stay the preferred approach to building assets on the CMS Hub, but these updates extend to main functionality to Design Manager users. So let's have a look at how you can create themes in the Design Manager. To create a theme, select File, New Theme. Developers can choose to start with a blank theme or from a CMS theme boilerplate. Now, how can you create serverless functions in the Design Manager? All you need to do is select File, New Function. From here, you can enter information about the function to be created, like the function path, request method, and file or folder names. Lastly, let's look at how you can view the @HubSpot folder in the Design Manager. You can also now view the source code of default themes and other default assets by clicking into the @HubSpot folder in the Design Manager Finder. This allows you to view the code behind a default theme for use in your own themes. You can only clone one of the default themes as a starting point. The @HubSpot files are read-only. The files must be cloned or copied to be edited. It's important to note though that the ability to access the @HubSpot folder and create themes in the Design Manager is now available to all CMS Hub Professional customers. The ability to create serverless functions within the Design Manager is available to all CMS Hub Enterprise customers. So with that out of the way, let's now have a look at all the changes to Sales Hub. Earlier in July, the CRM homepages had a major spring clean with a brand new look and feel. While things haven't been completely overhauled, I think it might be helpful for us to walk you through all the changes step by step so you can get back to sorting and filtering your contacts, companies, and deals faster and more efficiently than ever before. Let's start with filters. The first thing you might notice about the new layout is that the filters have moved to the top of all CRM homepages. Easily filter by popular criteria like owner, create date, last activity date, or lead status, or explore all the ways to break up your data by selecting more filters. Once you've filtered your data, you can save the filter view by clicking Save View. Saved views appear as tabs at the top of your CRM homepages, making it easier for you to navigate from one filter view to the next. You can even pin your favorite views by clicking the drop-down next to the view name. Lastly, export your views by clicking the Table Actions drop-down on the right. Choose your file format, adjust your export references, and then export. Files will be sent to you via email and the notification center. Another exciting update to Sales Hub is the additional GDPR setting in live chat, enabling you to display a cookie consent banner when HubSpot detects a visitor is leaving the page. This is super important as it allows visitors to chat without having to accept cookies first. You can turn on the exit intent banner in the Options tab of the chat flow builder. When enabled, visitors can start a chat without consenting to cookies. When the chat visitor starts moving to another page, HubSpot will display a cookie consent banner to alert them that their conversation will not be accessible on the next page unless they consent to cookies. If they accept, then they can continue their chat conversation as they navigate across your site. Excitingly as well, you can also use country targeting in your chat flows to show cookie consent banners for specific countries. The consent language will be available in all supported languages but can't be edited. So that's all for July's Sales Hub updates. Let's move on to Service Hub. While there have been no crazy significant updates to Service Hub this last month, we would like to fill you in on a certification you might find helpful when looking for the latest and greatest in the platform. During our July certification session, Geordie and Trav stumbled across what they describe as the best certification they've sat, the Service Hub Software Cert. We would not only recommend this to those of you looking to get more out of the service side of HubSpot, but encourage you to watch it if you're on the fence about whether or not to invest. Let us know how you go. And that's it for July. I hope these updates provide you some support in your marketing, sales, and service strategies. But if you need any extra help ensuring you're making the most of your HubSpot investment, let us know. Here at Neighborhood, we conduct completely free portal audits to give you clarity as to where you need to be focusing your time and energy. We'll analyze your marketing efforts by checking whether you're following blogging best practice to boost your conversions. We'll check out your sales strategies to see that your pipeline is clean and logical and encouraging qualified lead generation. And lastly, we'll dive into your service portal to see whether you could be better using particular sections to stay on top of keeping your customers happy. So that's all from me this month, guys. Happy HubSpotting.